When an iPhone doesn't have an internet connection, it does not mean it has a problem. It's always possible that the issue is with your network device. So you need to troubleshoot your iPhone and your router for this problem, and that's what we're going to do here. In this video, I will be showing you how to fix an iPhone SE2 that's connected to the network but has no internet. First solution, restart your router and your iPhone. Just because your iPhone started to drop its internet connection doesn't mean that it has a problem. It is possible that such an issue is caused by a failing network device. Thus the first thing you have to do is restart your router or modem and see what happens. Here's how. Unplug your modem or router from the wall outlet or simply disconnect the power cord from the main unit. Leave it without power for a minute or two. While waiting, quickly press and release the volume up, then do the same to the volume down. Immediately after releasing the volume down button, press and hold the side key for 10 seconds. This will trigger the iPhone to shut down and power back on. When the Apple logo shows, release the side key and wait until the device finishes the reboot. Now plug the power cord of your network device back into the wall outlet, or reconnect the cord to the main unit. Wait for the device to become online and your iPhone to finish rebooting, and then reconnect to the network. If your iPhone still can't get a good connection but your other devices can, then move on to the next solution. Second solution, reset all network settings on your iPhone. After making sure that the problem isn't with your network device, the next thing you have to do is refresh all network or wireless services on your iPhone. You can do so by resetting all network settings. Don't worry, none of your files will be deleted. Here's how it's done. From the home screen, tap Settings. Find and tap General. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and then touch Reset. Touch Reset Network Settings. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Reset to proceed with network settings reset. Your iPhone will reboot after this. Once it has finished rebooting, try to see if the problem is fixed. Third solution, factory reset your iPhone. A reset will be able to fix network issues including this problem, but make sure to create a backup of your important files and data because they will be deleted and you may not be able to retrieve them. When ready, follow these steps. From the home screen, tap Settings. Find and tap General. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and then touch Reset. Tap Erase all contents and settings. Tap Erase now. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Erase iPhone at the bottom of the screen. Tap Erase iPhone again to proceed with the reset. Enter your Apple ID password, and then touch Erase to proceed with the reset. After the reset, set up your iPhone as a new device. I hope that this simple troubleshooting guide has been helpful. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and enabling notifications. Thanks for watching.